Use a dashed boundary when points on the line are not solutions.
We will graph the solutions to a linear inequality in two variables as a half-plane, and graph the solution set to a system of linear inequalities as the intersection of the corresponding half-planes. We will graph a half-plane from an inequality, use a test point, graph the intersection of two inequalities, and interpret the boundary line choice. How would you graph y greater than 2x plus 1? This coordinate plane mapped onto the boundary bank shows our path. Graph the boundary line y equals 2x plus 1. Because the inequality is strict, use a dashed boundary. Shade the half-plane above the line. Use a dashed line for y equals 2x plus 1 and shade above it. Why is the point 0, 0 not in the solution set of y greater than or equal to x plus 2? Substitute the coordinates into the inequality. That gives 0 greater than or equal to 0 plus 2, or 0 greater than or equal to 2. Because the statement is false, the point is not in the solution set. 0, 0 is not a solution because it does not satisfy the inequality. What region solves the system y greater than or equal to x plus 1 and y less than or equal to 5? Looking at this coordinate plane laid across the channel, graph the line y equals x plus 1 and shade above it. Graph the line y equals 5 and shade on or below it. The solution set is the overlap of those two shaded half-planes. The solution set is the overlapping region above y equals x plus 1 and on or below y equals 5. Why does y less than or equal to minus x plus 4 use a solid line, while y strictly less than minus x plus 4 uses a dashed line? This coordinate plane illustrates the difference. The symbol less than or equal to includes boundary points. The symbol less than excludes boundary points. So the included boundary is solid, and the excluded boundary is dashed. A solid line includes boundary points, and a dashed line excludes them. Here are the results. Use a dashed line for y equals 2x plus 1 and shade above it. 0, 0 is not a solution because it does not satisfy the inequality. The solution set is the overlapping region above y equals x plus 1 and on or below y equals 5. A solid line includes boundary points, and a dashed line excludes them.
Draw equals 2x plus 1 dashed, then shade above the line.